Cherry blossom warning. Spring warning. Don't ignore high pressure switch trips warning. Cherry blossom. As temperatures rise in Houston, your AC runs longer and harder. The high pressure switch is crucial for system protection. Why checking it in spring matters? It prevents early summer shutdowns. Common causes of high pressure involve dirty components or airflow issues. Signs of a high pressure issue include random AC shutdowns or weak cooling. During a spring checkup, we inspect coils, airflow, and system readings. Message Uptown Heating and Air Conditioning to schedule your checkup.